Hi there, my name is Ian Stewart. I am the proud owner of Buildabizonline, and I'd like to welcome you to our website today. Now, the statement in front of us here, did you know more and more people than ever before are searching for methods to make extra cash from the comfort of their homes using their PC and other devices, because people use their mobiles now to make money online. Now, did you know there's more and more people doing that? They want to either make a little bit more money, pocket money, they want to pay for tuition fees. They even, like me, I wanted to get out of my mundane jobs and I wanted to form my own online business, and that's what I do now through the power of the internet. Now, some find it technically challenging. Now, I'm going to tell you a true story. When I left school, I could not read or write. Now, how technically challenging is that? So, you can do it. Do not tell me you cannot do it. You can do it. There is only 4 steps that you need to take when you're making money online. Okay, do you know what those 4 steps are? Because I bet you think, oh no, there's going to be more to it than that. But no, there is just 4 steps. 1, you need to find a profitable niche. A profitable niche, something where people are already making money from that. So let us say that your hobby is golf. That is a profitable niche. Let us say that your hobby is or your way of life is health and fitness. That is a profitable niche. People are spending thousands and thousands of pounds and dollars and whatever it may be in your currency. They're spending thousands and thousands, even millions on that. Pets is another profitable niche. So first step, find a profitable niche. Preferably, I would say, something to do with something that you're passionate about. Your hobby. Okay, so that's 1. Step 2 is to build a page with a capture form on it. Now, we call them capture pages or landing pages. Okay, now you need to do that. Here at Buildabizonline, we provide all that for you. So you haven't got to build, you've just got to click and add your own words. Okay, so step 2 is to build a page with a capture form on it. Now, then you capture the details of people that are interested in your particular niche, and then you can send them offers, okay, in the form of ClickBank, eBay, Amazon, anything. Okay, anything like that. You can become an affiliate of a lot of programs out there now where you can make a commission selling other people's products. You haven't even got to make your own product now. Okay, my particular niche is tools. Buildabizonline provides all the tools affiliate marketers and online marketers need. And I have promoted nothing but Buildabizonline, and I have made a full-time income living from that. I also belong to other niches as well: health, fitness, weight loss, things like this. Now, the 4th thing that you need, so it's not really a step, is the tools to put all this together. And that is why Buildabizonline was born. We have every tool that you need, all under one roof. When I first started, I wanted hosting, so I paid $10 for that somewhere. I wanted cloakers and shrinkers, URL cloakers and shrinkers. I had to pay $10 for that somewhere else. I wanted a URL rotator. That's a link rotator. Okay, if you've never heard of that, don't worry if you haven't. That was another $10 at another program. I wanted autoresponders so that we can make these landing pages and so that we can make these capture pages. That was another $10. So you can see where I'm going. It was mounting up, and you'd got to spend at least $50 or $60 before you even started making money. Not a Buildabizonline. We have every necessary tool that you need, all under one roof. Okay, now what I want you to do now, if you wish, I want you to read through the rest of this page, and then I'd like you to join Buildabiz Online. Okay, with our particular program, you can actually make money promoting our program. As I said, that is how I make a full-time living online. That is my profitable niche. Everybody needs tools. Everybody needs tools to get a job done. Whether you're a carpenter, a plumber, whatever it is, you need tools to get things done. Online businesses are just the same. So I'd like to thank you for listening, and I would like you to join. I'd like you to join us today. Okay? Now, thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the inside.